I want to go over a very good pattern that has been working very well recently during the slow summer months. It has to do with OTC tickers, and that pattern is the panic dip buy. Now, panic dip buys, they come in all shapes and sizes, but recently DPLS has been offering pretty solid ones. There was one on this day back here in, what is that, June. There were some in July, and now some in August. Most recently, these past few days is what I've been taking advantage of. So to get right into it, what I'm looking for is big panics like this after nice uptrends. So 2 days ago, I played this panic where we had a big drop from 16 cents all the way down to 12 and a half. Now, it was a little choppy in here where I dip bought it in here and it failed, so I cut it really quickly. Then I actually missed this buy here, waited for it to dip again, bought it on this candle, and then it looked like it was going to work, but then it was about to fail. But right here we saw it hold this bottom of 0.1251, double bottom right there, and I got right back into this candle and had a nice spike. Then the next day, same thing, big panic, bounce, failed the first time, panic, bounce. So today, from using the past 2 days, I guessed, okay, maybe it could panic and bounce again. And that's exactly what happened. It had a big panic in the morning. First bounce was weak, it came down, and then held this low here, held 0.098. So when the bids came in, I bought it at 0.1, and it just had a beautiful spike, and I sold all out right when it spiked over red to green and went green on the day. It ended up spiking even more, which is something I didn't expect, but I took the predictable part of the move, and this counted for most of my solid day today. Other than DPLS, I was also playing PBYA, which was another OTC ticker. OTCs have been really hot for me recently, and they've really been working well. But you have to be willing to take your gains when they're there, like on PBYA. It dipped in the morning and then came back up to 0.0125 where I bought for the breakout. Now it spiked nice and strong, but I scalped out because OTC multi-day breakouts have not been having much follow through recently. So I decided to leave it alone and move on. And then my last trade, ICOA, same type of thing. OTC breakout, but like I just said, the follow through's weak. It's not there, but luckily I was able to buy a 0.0034, sold some into here, 0.0038, and then once it cracked hard here on big volume, I said, you know what, I'm done with it, and I'm moving on. So overall, a really good day, but like I said, the main pattern to focus on right now that I've noticed is that OTC panic dip buy. Now, this isn't a perfect panic dip buy, but it's the safest thing you could be doing in the summer months, and it is exactly what I will continue to do. So overall on the day, $1,936.66. Gonna keep it rolling. Hopefully tomorrow's even better.